new. A federal judge has dismissed the Department of Justice's lawsuit against the City of Rochester challenging its sanctuary city policy. But as 13 Wham's Daniel Finkelstein reports, City Council President Miguel Melendez is not claiming victory just yet. Daniel.
Well, that's right, Karen. The city has taken a firm stance on that policy, codifying it into the charter recently. But the DOJ can return with an amended complaint by December 19th. A bump in the road for the Department of Justice. Its lawsuit against the City of Rochester, City Council, and Council President Miguel Melendez has been tossed by Judge Frank Geraci in New York's Western District.
Regardless of what comes next, I am relieved at this stage of the game that, we have some closure to at least this part of the chapter.
Melendez recalling this press conference back in March, where he and other city leaders addressed a controversial traffic stop on Whitney Street, which spurred the legal action and political fallout. He says he had no idea his name would appear on the lawsuit.
It was a shock. I would be remiss not to say that. But I also feel now, in hindsight, looking back, my name was in there because I stood up and said something.
City leaders said the actions that day violated Rochester's sanctuary city policy and police general orders. The federal government argued city leaders violated the Constitution.
What we have stood by continuously is the fact that we can't be told, due to the 10th Amendment to the Constitution, that our resources can be used for federal enforcement actions.
While the lawsuit was pending, the city codified its sanctuary policy into law in August, effectively hindering the Justice Department's original legal challenge. The judge dismissed the case without prejudice, but the DOJ can still challenge the new law.
Well, I don't think we can claim victory at this point. We don't have true indication of any next steps. I think at this point, our focus is on closing this chapter.
In a statement, Rochester Mayor Malik Evans said he was pleased with the decision, but said the city would, quote, vigorously preserve its local autonomy and rights under the 10th Amendment. Karen, back to you.